Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to calculate the age of the person in Excel with using a simple formula. Let's start to learn. First open the start button, click on the start button and type as here Excel and select the application which you required, which version you required. So once if you selected, you can select it blank worksheet and maximize the screen. So you can see I have a new worksheet. I already opened the data and I already typed the data, so that I'm opening my Excel sheet which I have done the data already. So I already told you in the previous videos how to insert the serial number. You can see this everything will be together merged, so the data is not clear and not proper. For that, what you want to do, we have to do some kind of a small modifications which are very required for the data. I told you already how to do it, modifications in the previous videos. Once again we'll discuss that. After that we'll start the main process of calculating age. Let's start the first adjusting together. See, as of now, I told you last class how to adjust rows, a simple method, right? So if you want still a very short method, you can do for that. Even first we'll go for adjusting the merging data. You can see here I'm selecting here how many columns you need. After selecting, you just go to the merge column. So there is no mouse for me. How can I do with using only keyboard? I need to do for that. You need to use a shortcut key. Highlight your all the tabs by using Alt. And if you want, check it out which tab the option particularly. If you have an idea, that will be very easy. If you don't have any idea, you can comment in the comment section. I can help you. So H I'm using here. I need to merge the particular content which I have selected. So the merge option will be M. So in that, what you want to do, the particular content which I have selected, that should be in the center, so that I'm selecting C. Hope you understand that how to merge the particular the content which you selected. This is the one way of merging the cells in the center. And the second thing is auto adjust to the center, auto adjust to the text. For that, what you want to do, you have to select entire data. After that, you need to go to the sheet and right click here and view code. I already discussed this, and in the general place you need to select it worksheet and you need to type the code here what we discussed in last class. Hope you remember. Once again I'm just explaining to you. Cells dot, what is very important here, entire, I need entire columns and entire rows, right? So entire column and as well as entire column. I'm just typing here entire column dot, what do you want to do, active auto fit content. Am I right? Auto fit content. So that means auto fit I used to type it. So the next one is I need not only columns. If you want rows even, just type it cells dot entire row dot auto fit. You can see here that already I discussed in the previous class. Once again I am discussing because of the reason is you should not press problem by going to search again, so that I am explaining once again, coming again. So you can save it here by using Control plus yes, click on enter. I have given default thing. I have closed everything here. I closed as of now. So the data which I given, serial number, I just typed here and so use tab. See, date of birth automatically adjusted. Format in Word. So enter it end. And here the tab is opened. Close it this because of the reason is that was debug, so that I'm clicking enter. Again it is asking again and again because already I used this, so that click on end. Okay, hope you understand this. So again if you want a space, you can click it, or else you can click on debug option. You can check it out. What is the error here? It has occurred column place I have written a wrong, so that it is showing error again and again. Hope you understand why it was showing again and again end and debug. So you can check it out. Entire row spelling you can see here ROS it was before. Now I just corrected, save it and close it everything. So you can check it out once again. Cross verification, entire row, not rows, only row, entire row dot auto fit and cells entire column dot auto fit. Okay, once if you save, just save it here, close it everything, and now you can do it. So there are no mistakes. Suppose let us assume name of the candidate, I need to type it this candidate. Okay, you just tap, automatically the data will be adjusted towards into the Excel sheet. Hope you understand this. Anybody has doubt, please comment in the comment section. That will be helpful for me to do more videos. So next one here, what is the next mandatory to adjust the data into the center. So what do you want to do? Use your keyboard Control plus A. After using your keyboard Control plus A, go to highlight the keys by using Alt key, H key, and what you want to do from the paragraph alignments, you can use the center alignment AC. See, the data will be adjusted towards to the Excel in the center of the alignment. Hope you understand this, and then give escape if you want, then and continue the data. So we are going to use the main topic now. With using simple formula, you can remember it very easily. Equal to is a sign of Excel. As of now, before I told you, still I'm saying the same thing. Is equal to is a sign of Excel. And here what you want to type it is nothing but you have to type it today date. Why? Because I just want from the previous year which I have given the date of birth and the same format in words present what is the date, so that I have given today what is the day, the previous date of birth which I gave here, that one, and today date I want to consider, so that I have given here equal to today. And of, so I given of. Why? Because today date will be mentioning the previous date and today date will be calculated. Okay, and I'm just going to reduce subtract the age of the previous age and the present age. Just click on it. So the column I have selected here, enter it here. You can see 8 8 19 25. So that means from here to here this much of variation was there, format in words. So this is the first step which you want to do it. Second step, what you want to do is you have to use Alt H L H G. See, this is a table format. First I'll convert it, after that I will start it. Okay, first I'm going to make it, the data should be like a at a time I need all the text should be in words format. So for that, what you want to do? Alt H O E. Hope you understand. Once again I'm going to tell you, as I have given backspace. First you need to keep your cursor on the selected data. After clicking the selected data, click on Alt H O E. So automatically format cells option will be open here. You can type it here in the custom. You have to select it. In the custom, you need to type it by giving backspace. You have to remember only little formula, very little formula. It was very easy to you. So type it WW means year. You can type it completely year and years. Close it. And as well as MM means months. So you can type it with the quotations months and close it. So check once again, cross verification, because if any mistakes are there, the formula won't be giving results to you. YY means years, MM means months, and I'm going to give a DD. DD in the sense dates. Hope you understand. Use in the colon that. So DD after, MM after, or YY after. I did not provide any spaces. You can check very clearly. Click on OK. You can see the age of the present of the person. If you I did not mention any person name here. If you want, you can mention it here. 25 years, 8 months and 8 days. It is very easy to calculate the person age from the previous date of birth and the present, compared to from that year to this year, how much age for them we can able to easily calculate. Hope you understand this. So I'm going to give here person 1, person 2. So I'm just going to give a clarity, because person 1, in person 1, the date of age currently, what is the age of him? 25 years, 8 months and 8 days. This is a way of finding the data very easily. If you want the entire data at a time, you can drag it, or else you can use Ctrl plus D. You can see this is a very easy method. You can do it. If you want to make this entire column as a table, you can select the entire data, Ctrl plus A. After selecting your data, use the highlight your shortcut Alt H and L H G. So I just selected one kind of table format and click on OK. You can see the table column has upgraded as a new version, like a new table. You don't need to do any kind of modifications by giving color, this border, nothing. Automatically the table will be created defaultly. Hope this video will be very useful for you. If you want further more videos, please comment, like, share, subscribe. That will help me to post more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.